Today I'm out here with the Geo Metro convertible. This job is also the same as the Suzuki Swift and the Firefly. It involves a bit of a problem with the convertible top, particularly the latches. The latches are made out of plastic, nylon, something that didn't really hold up, and the original top that this used to have was shrunk a lot. It was just vinyl. This one's more of a canvas. Anyway, somebody had snapped the plastic piece for the latch. Not the latch itself, but the piece that the latch latches onto. And it's been re-glued a couple of times, and I was just recently searching on eBay of all places, and there's a guy that makes new latches out of solid aluminum that won't crack, custom made, anodizes in black and everything. So let's put those on. This would be a good upgrade because I have another one that cracked, and you know, re-gluing lasts only so long, and then these ones are just a more sure thing. I don't want that top flipping back in the middle of winter or something. So to show you the part that breaks specifically, to get you oriented, I got the top flip back a little bit. It's this. This piece breaks off, and then it's not really going to clamp that. It's closed, but it's not really secure. And I think that one's already been glued, if I remember right. This one I know has been glued, and it doesn't hold forever. So let's see what it takes to replace these. So the mounting hardware for these is behind the plastic, obviously, so we're going to have to take this plastic off. Let's see. It stops here. Looks like we gotta just take this off, and maybe this whole thing comes off. There's already a crack in it here. I'll probably end up breaking that the rest of the way. And maybe in this light we gotta take some stuff. I want to start by just taking the sun visors off there, 2 Phillips screws on each side, and see where that gets me. Okay, so that gets that loose. As we can see, the crack is just about broken. Yeah, another screw here, another screw going up. Take those, bring it back. No screws up in that light thing, but this trim piece here, take that off. I've got several. 2 for just the mirror and 2 for whatever these are. Clips to hold this, maybe. I don't know which ones have to come out. I'll start taking them out and see what falls down. I took the 4 screws. That leaves me with the wires hanging there. I'm fine with that. Now over here is where we're working. Now we can get at both sides. Just Phillips screws, nothing to this. Well, let's just find the one that looks like this. Make sure we got our orientation right. Triangle at the bottom. Are they the same? No, there is a left and a right, so that's the other side. So triangle, round part. Nice. Let's do the other side. Alright, I got everything back to order. I started mine by just reversing, just starting with the center, then the light, then the clips, then the mounts for the sun visors themselves. But the real trick is, does it work? Oh, it drops good. Basically, you should have that all the way dropped before you're even trying to close this. Yeah. Works perfectly. You shouldn't, you know, the reason these get broken is because people use this to pull it together. You should have it down first. You know, don't leave it up like that. Pull it down first, pull away in, and then just use this as a latch. If you did that the whole time from new, it would have probably never broken. But anyway, I hereby declare those latches on this Geo Metro convertible Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching.